If you're wondering which dropshipping tool is more effective, Spocket or Oberlo, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take a look at both platforms, compare their features, and break down the pros and cons so you can make an informed decision. Stick around till the end, where I'll share my personal recommendation for a better alternative that's more efficient and effective than either of these two. First up, let's talk about Spocket. Spocket is a dropshipping platform known for its focus on high-quality suppliers, particularly from the US and EU. One major benefit of Spocket is that it allows you to source products faster and with better shipping times than many other platforms. The product catalog is also more curated, giving you access to premium products. However, the downside? Spocket's pricing is higher. Some users find it difficult to get started with the higher upfront costs for a premium service. Next, we have Oberlo, which is owned by Shopify and caters primarily to Shopify users. One of Oberlo's biggest advantages is that it's easy to integrate with Shopify, making it a seamless option for anyone already using Shopify to run their store. Oberlo has a huge catalog of products, which can be great for variety. But here's the catch: many of the suppliers on Oberlo are based in China, which can result in longer shipping times and less reliable product quality. Additionally, Oberlo is no longer available for new users, so if you're just starting, that's something to keep in mind. Moving on to the third thing, let's talk about pricing. Spocket has a more premium pricing structure, but offers better product quality and faster shipping options. Oberlo, on the other hand, has a more flexible, affordable model that's great for beginners, but you might sacrifice product quality or shipping times for lower costs. It really comes down to how much you're willing to invest at the start of your dropshipping journey. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Spocket offers strong customer support with resources and 24/7 assistance available. Oberlo, while integrated into Shopify's support system, has a reputation for slower responses and less personalized service. This can be a big deal if you're running into issues with suppliers or shipping delays. Fifth, let's talk about ease of use. Both platforms are fairly user-friendly, but Oberlo's connection with Shopify makes it incredibly easy to navigate for those familiar with the platform. Spocket, while not as seamless as Oberlo with Shopify, offers a more intuitive interface overall, especially when it comes to managing suppliers and product selections. For users looking for a polished interface, Spocket might win this round. So, to wrap things up, both Spocket and Oberlo have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're just starting and want to keep things affordable, Oberlo might be the way to go, especially if you're already using Shopify. But if you're willing to pay a bit more for faster shipping, better quality products, and a more curated selection, then Spocket might suit your business better. That said, after trying both of these tools myself, I've found a better alternative that I'd recommend if your goal is to streamline your dropshipping business. If you're ready to level up, take advantage of the free trial in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to the best exclusive benefits available to our viewers.